What's going on, guys? We are here in Los Angeles, California, where Freddie and I are on a mission to pick up his brand new car, which is a secret, unless he's already announced the car by the time this video is released, in which case you already know what it is. But I'm not here to talk about that. Today, I'm here to talk about a Honda Civic. So when Freddie and I came to Los Angeles, we needed to get a rental car because the truck and trailer, too ungainly to drive around a big city like LA. So we wanted a rental car that was economic. It had a couple of extra doors for people or cargo, something that was just low-key and cheap to kind of bomb around town in. So, of course, we made the logical decision and we picked up a Honda Civic Type R. So before I take this thing on the road, I'm going to show you around the car and show you a few of its... As an esteemed Focus ST owner, I can only hope this thing would live up to half the hype the ST can provide. I did post in the Central Florida ST owners group saying that I was going to dip my toes into the dark side, so let's see what the dark side has to offer. Let's see, the dark side has red seats, metal badges on the floor mats, a metal shift knob, racing seats. Oh man. Don't tell me the dark side has red seat belts. Oh crap. The dark side has a giant wing and a carbon fiber splitter. The dark side has triple exhausts. Oh no. Surely the dark side can't have a lot of cargo space. Oh, there's so much cargo space. The dark side even has... Hold on a second. The rear seats are black, but the front seats are red? Okay, now I'm triggered. All in all, this interior is really nice. I love the steering wheel. I love the shift knob and shift knob position. I also really like these seats. But seriously, guys, did I mention the red seat belts? The exterior, however, is more of an acquired taste. Look at these vents. Are they functional? No. Look at these rubber bands that are considered tires. Are they functional? Maybe. Is that real carbon fiber? Who knows? Of course, everyone complains about these panels that just cover up parking sensors. More fake vents. I'm not gonna lie. I like the wing. I like the vortex fins. And then these little like cat ears, anime cat ears. It's kind of cool from the back, I'm not gonna lie. Triple exhaust, the diffuser. But I think that's a little busy. Kind of reminds me of the C7 Corvette. Kind of busy. Oh baby, Honda, what is you doing, baby? I don't mind the hood scoop, not that bad. Overall, I think that if I were 17 years old again, I would love this car. However, nowadays, because I'm a refined Focus ST owner, the exterior is a little much for me. I'll tell you one thing though, I do love this color. It's weird, it's loud, it's fast, it's sporty, the horsepower, torque. I guess the only thing left to do is to take it out for a spin and see how much the Focus ST puts it to shame. In order to give this Civic a proper shakedown, I need to find some good local driving roads. To do that, I'm going to use today's sponsor, which is Driveline. It's an app for the iPhone. You can find it in the App Store. And Driveline is the world's first social driving app.
And its sole purpose is to help you discover the joy of just driving. Driveline allows you to map out your favorite driving roads and classify them based on style, like backroad blast, hill climb, 0 to 60 pulls, or even cruise. On your profile, you can share your cars, your maps, you can earn points towards contests and giveaways, you can even share videos of your drives. Now, if you're like me and you're in a new area looking for good roads, you can use the search function to find roads in any given area by radius and style. You can review the maps, the videos, the comments, the likes, you can even follow the people that created the route.
This app is awesome. I think it's really important that we create a community of enthusiasts and drivers so that we can make new friends and find new roads along the way. So without further ado, let's hit the road and see how this Civic does. All right, so right off the bat, Around the city, this car is very civilized. The clutch is super easy to use. Of course, it's not as good as the Focus ST clutch, but you know, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I will say the brakes on this car are exceptional. I think they're Brembos, and man, they squeeze real good. The shifter in this car is mega precise. It's way better than the Focus. I mean, it's really good, but not as good as the Focus. All right, so I'm headed up into the Malibu Canyon area, and we'll see how well this thing stacks up against the Focus ST. Sure is pretty here, though. Stay focused. Stay focused. Good focus. That's what I have. So going uphill, this car has really good torque. Very usable. Still not as good as the Focus ST, though. The Focus is a torque monster. This is like a torque gremlin. Driving past houses that I cannot afford. Houses that are worth more than my entire life. What? Right, car. Steering. So I have the car in sport mode right now, and it's very weighted. It feels very good. I don't know why I have it in sport mode. Let's put it in R mode. The gauges turned red. Looks awesome. Okay. Whoa. The steering in R mode, oh man, it's like really good. One of my favorite things in R mode is the rev match downshift. You clutch in and you just drop it a gear, and the car automatically matches revs for you. You don't have to worry about heel towing or anything like that, which is good. The Focus doesn't do that, but who needs it? Really, who needs it? It's just a silly little feature. I wish the Focus had it. I needed to stop for a sec because I don't know how many of you have been in these canyons, or if you live in the California area. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna get some footage so you can understand what I'm dealing with here. Would you just go? Would you? What? There's a freaking river down there? Go! Okay, we're good. Wow. Right, steering, good. Gearbox, good. Brakes, really good. Horsepower, 306 horsepower. This thing is very quick. I'm gonna have to eat some humble pie. This car is a lot quicker than a Focus ST. And it really makes me sick to say that, but oh man. Tunnels, mountains. Oh boy. I really didn't think I'd like this car as much as I like this car, but I like this car way much more than I thought I would like this car. It's real pretty out here. The car's real good. The roads are real good. The weather is real good. And this is, oh boy. I get the whole automotive journalism thing. I understand why everybody wants to do it. Okay, this is, oh boy. Boy. God. Everything is just really good. Everything is hold on. I don't care about the center console, don't care about the stupid volume buttons. I don't care about how quiet this car is without an aftermarket exhaust. This is just perfect for this road and this area. And I think it would be really good in Florida too. Okay. Oh, but wait, I just gotta, I wanna. Okay. Well, I'm really bad at this car reviewing thing, man. Freddie, I need help. Matt Farah, somebody help me learn how to. Zach Clapman, I need help learning how to do this review thing, man. Because I just wanna drive, man. I just wanna drive, man. Okay, well, that concludes my road test of a Honda Civic Type R. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit up the App Store to download Driveline today. I'm serious. Let's build a community. Let's expand. More enthusiasts, more drivers, more good roads, more good cars. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Am I doing this YouTube thing right? This is Andrew for Wrench Every Day. Peace out.